Well, hello everyone, and a good evening. What I'm going to show you here is something that caught me plumb off guard because I wasn't staying ahead of my brain. I was thinking more than I was thinking. Anyway, I'm going to show you how dangerous it is to test these motors, especially this one that I'm testing today. It's the Ridgid 45, 33 or something table saw motor. Here it is, and I had to, you're gonna see that I had to replace the brushes because here's the brush that came out of it. This is why it quit working. That's from having a dull blade and pushing that plywood through there until finally it just melted the solder, I'm assuming, inside that graphite brush. Anyway, it just quit running, so they brought it to me. I fixed it. This will be the third time I fixed it. Each time it's something different. This time is a brush. I think it's pretty close to the last time before this thing burns up. But anyway, what I'm fixing to show you is after I got the brushes in there, I plugged it in, and then you're going to be, even I was shocked because I just wasn't thinking ahead.